is the VIOFO dashcam, and this is what happens when you don't use it.
Lady, what are you doing?
What am I doing? You just backed up into me.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah, you did.
Prove it.
Did anybody see this?
Did you know that a car accident happens every 3 minutes, every day? Which is why we built the VIOFO Dash, a dash camera designed for drivers everywhere.
Whether your car is on or off, the VIOFO Dash is there to protect.
Hello, ma'am. I saw you were on the phone.
Oh, no, I wasn't on the phone.
Can you prove it?
It's always recording when you're driving. Automatically record any unexpected activity when you're away from the car.
Oh, milk duds.
Swivel it 360 degrees to capture every angle and shot with ease. Videos can be captured on the VIOFO Dash mobile app and uploaded to Facebook or sent via email.
Right off the bat, you'll notice the 900 comes with speakers in the front and a 3-inch viewing screen. Turn to the back to find the camera, which can rotate 45 degrees left to right or up and down. Setup takes only a few minutes by first adding the plate and removing the plastic from the sticker. The power adapter is plenty long and connects at the top of the camera and can easily be hidden in the door frame, under the mat, and around the console. CR900 comes with a rear camera with a 240-degree rotation. Installation is the same as before. After the plastic is removed, place in the center of the windshield. The cable plugs in next to the power cord and is double the size, allowing more than enough length for a large SUV. Once the car is turned on, the screen illuminates with a view of the front and rear cameras. An SD card is needed to record, which can be inserted on the side above the controls to navigate through the camera's functions. To change any of the settings, press the OK button on the other side. Crosstour allows you to change resolution, display, select a loop recording time, switch on mirror image, adjust HDR, measuring units, exposure, and turn on motion detection. You can also turn the audio off, add a date stamp, and activate the G sensor, which will automatically record and save footage if ever in a crash. Pressing the up arrow will change the view between the front and back cameras, while the bottom arrow switches off the microphone. The M button on the right side allows different stats to be displayed and playback footage. Crosstour makes it easy to protect important videos by just pressing the lock button. The screen can also be dimmed while recording for distraction-free driving, and pressing the OK button will manually record. Crosstour has the ability to add a license number, select a variety of languages, and turn on the fatigue driving feature to be notified once a certain amount of driving has occurred. And if it couldn't get any better, the CR900 is GPS compatible.